Hi guys, what's up? I'm Mehdi from Philly channel and today we're going to visit Gomrok neighborhood in South Tehran. That is one of the oldest neighborhood of Tehran and that was the west entry gate of past times. The meaning of Gomrok is customs because many goods and products used to enter from this neighborhood gates. So the businessmen had to pay the charges, so it is the reason that why this neighborhood was named Gomrok. From past time till now, this area and Sqaure was a center of commodity exchange and each street sells different kind of products. As we're walking in Molavi Street, you can see that this street is full of motorcycle accessories with a very reasonable prices. Like you can get a helmet for $100 and $150 for a motorcycle set. And the other street is called Helal Ahmed, which is full of industrial accessories like shoes, clothes and equipments of any kind with good prices that gathers many people and workers and engineers from all over the town. The industrial accessories prices are like about $56 for a drill, $66 for a toolbox, $350 for a chainsaw and $70 for a pair of safety shoes. Also, there is Sqaure Street, which is full of hiking and camping equipment stores with good prices, but not the best quality and proper brands. Actually, the most are just low quality Chinese brands. As I said, the prices are cheap, but I will tell you a point at the end of my sentence. The hiking equipment prices are like about $100 for a hiking tent, $130 for a 70 liters backpack, and $34 for a hiking set. The point that I wanted to say is that all the prices in each different group that I told you may seem cheap and reasonable, but I have to say that average income of a full-time job of an Iranian person in months is less than $150, and Iranian people are suffering a heavy inflation about 20 years. There are many different kind of ways to access Gomrok Sqaure, such as taxi, BRT and subway, which all these takes a heavy weight of the transportation crowd. Finally, I have to say that this place is a good choice for mighty reasonable shopping. And if you like to watch more videos like this and know more about Iran and Iran cities, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified for more videos of Tehran and Iran sites. Comment me if you had any questions and don't forget to like the video.